What's happening, Crypto Fam? Happy Friday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Apologies for no video in the last few days. I was busy Wednesday. Yesterday I recorded a video about MetaPay and accidentally deleted the video. So this morning I'm literally just going to do a quick video about MetaPay. We've been talking about the adoption curve lately. MetaPay will help the adoption curve. It will bring marketplaces, hopefully, and payment infrastructure to the masses. Whether centralized or decentralized, it doesn't matter at first, right? So let's read through it, get through it, see what we think. Let's speculate a little bit. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a read yourself if you want. And yeah, so Meta have filed 5 trademark applications for MetaPay, teasing crypto and digital payment platform. So, Meta, formerly Facebook, has submitted 5 trademark applications in the United States for what appears to be new digital platform dubbed MetaPay. Now, our first value, I'm thinking Google Pay, Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, MetaPay. That tells me it's a payment vehicle where I can pay at contactless machines, I can pay online, using that service. It's interesting to see how it's going to evolve, if it will be just a payment service through Facebook, and how much it's going to implement cryptocurrencies to allow you to make them payments in cryptocurrencies. But will it also have an NFT marketplace similar to OpenSea? They're the first things I go to when I think platform, crypto, payments, trading. It could easily just be a payment app like Samsung Pay, but it allows you to spend crypto from certain wallets. The trademark applications filed on May the 13th described MetaPay as an online social networking service for investors, allowing financial trades and exchange of digital currency, virtual currency, cryptocurrency, digital and blockchain assets, digital tokens, and crypto tokens. Not really leaving anything out there, are they? They're describing MetaPay as an online social service for investors. They're not describing it as an online payment service. It's an online social networking service for investors, allowing financial trades and exchange of digital currency, virtual currencies, cryptocurrency, digital and blockchain assets, digital tokens, and crypto tokens. This sounds like it'll be a separate app completely that will link to Instagram and Meta. We covered the Instagram NFTs not long ago. You've got Facebook. It highly got to be the app that links all. I mean, even Oculus Quest, you're going to be MetaPay on Oculus Quest. You will have MetaPay, will be everywhere, which is extremely interesting to think that you could have like a virtual trading floor on Oculus Quest. Quite fascinating. So apart from payment and trading, MetaPay could also include digital asset lending and investment services, per other details in the trademark filing. A social media giant previously acquired the MetaPay.com domain name from South Dakota-based Meta Bank in a $60 million deal in December 2021. They paid $60 million for a domain name. Damn, 60 million for a domain name. Jesus fucking Christ. Shit the bed, bruh. So the trademark filing is Meta's latest crypto-related play, having announced plans to begin testing NFTs on Instagram earlier this month. Like we said, we covered the Instagram thing. This will no doubt be an in-between, in my opinion. It will be its own app. You can go on and try. I'm assuming it's going to be its own app that will link to Facebook and Instagram and potentially even WhatsApp, where I can send you money through WhatsApp using MetaPay. I'd expect them all to link through MetaPay. Meta previously filed 8 trademark applications for its logo with the company, describing the move as part of its pivot towards a digital economy. These efforts have not gotten off to a great start, with the company announcing that its Metaverse focus unit, Reality Labs, lost almost $3 billion in the first quarter of the year. The company's Diem stablecoin project also failed to get off the ground amid significant opposition from regulators across the globe. The assets from that initiative were later sold to the US bank Silvergate. Now, regarding adoption curve, I think it's safe to say a lot of people use Facebook. Billions of people use Facebook. Over 2 billion monthly users. Hell of a lot of people on Facebook. A lot of people use Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, there's a hell of a lot of people using Facebook Marketplace. Now, does it really, I don't really care if I'm on Samsung Pay or Google Pay on my, or even fucking Halifax fucking Pay. If I'm contactless paying with my phone, I tend to not really give a shit. Excuse me. I tend to not really give a shit where that value is coming from. Oh, no. That's wrong. Tend to not give a shit what app that value is going through to make this payment and settle the payment. Google Pay, Samsung Pay don't really mean anything to me, but when you start introducing a Meta Pay that can make payments like that in your standard shop, but also transfer NFT ownership and trade NFTs through Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, or maybe it's got a brand new page that's like an OpenSea marketplace within the platform. So you've got Meta Pay is just one section, Meta Trade is another section, Meta fucking whatever, and it grows from that around that. It's going to be absolutely fascinating to see it unfold. Regarding the adoption curve, this is why it will help it. It's innovation. Not only will it push it more to the masses, it will make the masses realize they want decentralization more than centralization. Will Meta become a DAO in the future? Who knows? Who actually knows? It's a fascinating thought. The amount of people that don't actually trust Facebook and Meta and that. Yet loads of us still use it. We all still use it. We're all on WhatsApp. We're all on Facebook. All on Instagram. So, excuse me. If they gave us a platform that links all them, and again, I mean, I can Google it straight now. I'm sure it's 2.3 billion monthly users on Facebook. Facebook active monthly users. Gone up a bit. It's gone up a bit. Damn. This was on April the 22nd with roughly 2.93 billion monthly active users. So if you actually really do want to get people pushing this technology forward, I mean, the same was said about Libra, wasn't it? When they tried pushing Libra through, saying the same shit, you got over 2 billion monthly users. At that time, it was about 2.3 billion monthly users. That means 600 million monthly users been added since back then. I mean, like, oh, I think it's draining me thinking about it. But it's because I've done the video twice that this is kind of fucking. I did this video yesterday and deleted it, so we're doing it again. But I think this could absolutely explode me. I think it could take off faster than anyone ever expected it to. Depending on how it comes out, I think if you're looking at an OpenSea type platform with an NFT section and a payment section that allows me to pay through the platform MetaPay. But within MetaPay, I can also go and buy NFTs off people on Instagram and WhatsApp and Facebook and whatnot. But then we've said in the past, haven't we, what about a kid who's just won a skin on Fortnite that he doesn't really want, but he wants something from Tesco that's the same price as the value of the skin? Excuse me, I'm tired this morning. Sorry, apologies. So if he doesn't want the skin but he wants something from Tesco, he can potentially trade the skin for something in Tesco. But if he goes to Tesco with a fucking Fortnite skin, unless Tesco starts selling Fortnite NFTs, they ain't going to want to buy it. Right? But they want Great British Pounds, Tesco in Britain. So through Interledger Protocol or through MetaPay's functionality, or any other platform's functionality protocol, whatever allows you to do this, you're gonna the NFT will be taken out of MetaPay account, the kid's account. It will be put in an order book for sale at a minimum price of what you paid to Tesco. You owe Tesco £3. It's a minimum of £3. An IOU's created that pays Tesco the £3 instantly. Tesco has the £3. You're indebted to that IOU until the NFT sells. If it doesn't sell in a certain amount of time, maybe you have to put the cash in. Maybe you have to cover the IOU within 12 months if the NFT hasn't sold. There's a lot of mechanics to work out in the background, but at the end of the day, they will get worked out. The innovators will work it out, and the early adopters will see more gains than anyone else. It's as simple as that. You cannot be a laggard and gain as much as an early adopter unless you was already fucking rich. You know what I mean? Like, you try and invest in the internet now and make fucking billions. No, not happening. And go back to 1980, put $1,000 in Apple and $1,000 in Microsoft. You're fucking done. By the time you get to now, you'd be done. You wouldn't need anything else. That £2,000 would now be billions. It just would. So, in hindsight, that's a wonderful thing. In reality, we need to realize that this now is a new technology similar to the internet and Apple and Microsoft when they was all coming out. This is extremely fucking similar. We need to take advantage of it. So in 20, 30 years, you're not looking back thinking, fucking hell, hindsight, wonderful thing, that. You know the script. Invest in yourself. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy, man. It's more important than how much is in the bank. But we've all got bills to pay. We've all got fucking phones to keep on, houses to keep over families' heads and shit. So there is a bit of a tug of war there. But invest in yourself. Invest in your happiness. Invest in the internet of value. Live long and hodl the fucking lot. Never let it go. Get it staked. Get it baked. Look after the pot till the pot looks after you. Yeah? Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. We love crypto. We love adoption. Probably going to love MetaPay. And we love you. So take care of yourself. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.